In this jungle, King Leo's roar was law. Not of power, but of unyielding justice.
My bananas were here! All gone! I saw her hopping away from this spot.
Rosie, state your defense.
No, Your Majesty. I was gathering berries. I swear I never touched them.
Alara, did you see anything?
I saw Barnaby the bear. He was enjoying a snack by the tree.
Barnaby, did you eat Monty's bananas?
Yes, King Leo, I was hungry. I did not think anyone would mind.
A creature's belongings are their own. Justice must restore balance. Barnaby will replace Monty's bananas. And you will help Rosie gather berries. And so, peace was restored, not by a claw, but by clarity, making the jungle a haven for all.